Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's news. Google Pixel 11 Pro, 11 Pro XL tipped to launch with under display Face ID, Pixel Glow and more. Don't lose hope. We will win after sunset. Mamta Banerjee's message to TMC workers. Vijay prediction bang on. Is PK now most famous Bihari in Tamil Nadu after Dhoni? Odisha courts raped for perverse. Bail orders asking Dalits to clean police stations. Nani Venkat Prabhu. Celebs congratulate Vijay as TVK nears majority in debut poll. Janvi Kapoor on alcohol. Doctors explain when social drinking turns emotional. TMC's BIPO dares Union of India to come to Falta. BJP storms entire Bengal. Birthday girl Trisha visits Vijay as TVK debut, stuns Tamil Nadu gains. Talapati Vijay to Chief Minister Vijay. TVK delivers Tamil Nadu blockbuster. NDA crosses 100 mark in Assam as BJP led Alliance I's best ever performance. For more updates, like, share, and subscribe to Miracle Makers.